How to repay HDFC loan online. First of all, launch the HDFC Bank mobile app and sign in using your login details. Once you are on the home screen, look for the menu icon with 3 lines and tap on it. From the menu option, select Payments and then choose Bill Pay from the list that appears. On the Bill Pay screen, scroll down until you find the loan section and tap on it. Next, select your loan provider by tapping on the drop-down labeled Please choose Own and choose HDFC from the options. You will need to accept the terms and conditions by ticking the box. Then, hit Confirm to move forward. After this, you will see a payment form where you can enter the amount you want to pay towards your loan EMI. Type in the EMI amount or full payment, then press Continue. Review your payment details carefully, and once everything looks correct, confirm the payment. Your loan repayment will be processed instantly and you will receive confirmation of the transaction. And that's it. Now you know how to repay HDFC loan online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.